Okay, we're here at day one of Opti sail test for Team Blue North Sails. We've got the Williford twins, two of the best sailors in the U.S. right now, possibly even the world in the Optimist class. We're sail testing with the two of them because they're evenly matched in skill and speed. And we've got Christopher as the constant in his J sail that he's real comfortable with, and he goes real fast. And we got Duncan here using our new design, and wanted to walk you through what we've got going on. This is our designer, Garth Reynolds. He's been working with the Olympic team in developing fin and 470 sails. And so let's take you a little walkthrough of what we have going on here. We've got a GPS in both boats. That's in the blue package there. And that GPS is going to track both of these guys as they're sailing upwind. In the white box, we've got the camera, and that's going to be shooting 1 frame per second, the shape of both sails. And it's going to be documenting each draft stripe. Each one of these stripes in the sail is going to be analyzed through a bunch of upwind and downwind sailing. So wanted to talk with Garth here, our designer, on what our goals are for today and what we're trying to accomplish.
Well, the J sail in the U.S. is known for going really fast in light air, which we have right now, fairly light air, so we're pretty excited to get on the water. And Christopher in the J sail has been doing very, very well. They both finished, Christopher and Duncan finished 1st and 3rd respectively at the Orange Bowl. So Christopher will be our rabbit, if you will. He'll be our constant in his J sail because he's been very successful thus far. We have a new design in this North crosscut sail, and we're going to start testing this North crosscut against Christopher in the J sail. We think that because Christopher's doing so well, we're going to leave him as the constant, make him go as fast as humanly possible, which he does most of the time, and see how our new sail stacks up against Christopher. We'll be making changes to the setup and possibly the shaping of the sail throughout the week so that we can dial it in and get the sail going as best as possible. Again, today we have light air, so we're excited because that's when the J sail seems to perform at its best.
Thanks, Garth. And do you want to walk us through real quick the technology that we're using on the motorboat that's going to be following both boats as we head upwind?
Absolutely.
Thanks to Mike Topa at North Sails Fort Lauderdale. He let us borrow his rib here. And it's turned out to be the perfect size for the gear that we need to perform this sail test. You can see the black box that's got all of the electronics and sail testing software and all of that in the waterproof case. And then you can see the wind instruments that will be following behind it. It'll be tracking the wind direction, wind strength, and there's also a compass in there, so it kind of gives us the direction that the motorboat's heading. So Garth, you want to talk a little bit more, I guess, in detail of what we have going on here?
Exactly. Well, this is what we use for the masthead camera, but we have different mounts for the cameras on board the Optimist. Those photos are going to come through the Wi-Fi network that we have set up, and those will get stored directly onto the computer that's inside the black box. It'll log all those photos, as you said, 1 frame per second, so we can check out the sail at any point in time during the day. The GPS that are on board, those also come over the Wi-Fi signal, and then we can see who's gaining or losing on our heads-up display that we have on board the chase boat. And then obviously the wind data we pick up from the motorboat. Obviously you can't put wind data on each Optimist, it'd be too heavy and too cumbersome. So we're getting our wind readings off the chase boat. And that way we can analyze the photos and the flying shape of the sails, and we know exactly what the wind strength was. We don't have to stop and use a hand anemometer. We have constant wind readings throughout the day, both in speed and direction. So it's a very analytical and a very thorough way to be able to analyze the sails and see how they're changing flying shape in the different wind conditions.
Very good. Duncan, what do you think about all of this going on today?
Some of it's over my head, but it sounds really exciting.
Awesome. Christopher, what do you think? What are your thoughts on all this crazy electronic stuff?
I don't get most of it, but it's fine.
Don't get wet.
All right. Well, let's go out and have some fun, guys. Thank you.
Thanks, Brian.